Every day, distribution network operators keep power flowing to millions of homes and businesses. It's essential work, and it's becoming more complex as demand for clean energy grows. Many key tasks still rely on manual work in hazardous or hard-to-reach environments. This increases risk, slows response times, and adds cost as the grid continues to expand. RISE will explore how robotics can transform the way networks are managed and maintained. Advanced robotic systems can support or replace high-risk or labor-intensive activities, making work safer, speeding up fault response, and improving efficiency. For customers, this means fewer disruptions, quicker restoration during faults, and a more resilient grid ready for the demands of a green energy future.